In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve the last portrait mode zoom settings on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. First off, guys, let me show you which exact setting I am talking about. To do that, I'm gonna open up Camera app. And on a camera app, we can switch camera mode from photo to portrait. And basically, guys, by default, portrait mode always starts in 2x zoom. We can tap right here and we can switch it to 3x or to 1x. And that option we can preserve in settings to always switch it to the zoom you would like to use. To do that, first off, let's hop out Camera app and then let's head over to settings. After that, scroll down all the way until you find Camera. Then tap Add Preserve Settings and then scroll down until you find Portrait Zoom. All we have to do in here is just activate that option. While it is active, it will preserve the portrait mode zoom rather than automatically reset to the default camera. So after that, we can head over to portrait mode and the last zoom that we set here will be saved, and each time we open up camera, we'll get the same exact zoom here. That's how it's done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.